The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Lots of interesting weather moving in over the next couple of days. Starting off this afternoon, we've got temperatures in the 60s after dealing with some cool temperatures over the weekend. Temperatures on the upward trend as we go into today and tomorrow ahead of a strong cold front. That cold front will approach us as we go later into the afternoon and evening hours, especially through the overnight and late evening, I think. So temperatures this afternoon ahead of that front with a southeasterly wind are going to warm up pretty nicely. Upper 50s to near 60, 59 in Bristol, 61, 62 degrees, I think, towards Kingsport, Johnson City. Could see 62 or maybe 63 toward Greenville with a slight downsloping wind helping to bump some of those temperatures up. That downsloping wind coming in the form of gusty southeast winds. And these winds will continue to get gustier and gustier as we head into the overnight hours. Here's our future track as we go later into the afternoon. You notice the winds increase, especially in our Tennessee mountain counties. That's where we have a high wind warning in effect. And that high wind warning is going to go through tonight because some of the winds down there could gust as high as 50, perhaps 60 miles per hour at times, especially in the areas near Irwin, Greenville, Camp Creek, Roan Mountain, Shady Valley, Mountain City, and also towards Abingdon, where we typically see some of these strong winds in a setup like this with a southeasterly wind component. Now, talking about the advisories, we have wind advisories up for a majority of our valley counties and high wind warnings up for Green Mountains, Unicoi, Carter, Johnson, Wise, and Norton. Those are going to go through Tuesday morning. With gusts of that magnitude, you may want to secure your outdoor Christmas decorations or any other outdoor objects you have outside. We do expect a few fallen limbs and trees as well to go through the overnight hours, so it could have a few power outages across the area. That's not out of the question, especially later tonight. Now, as we go into the afternoon, we do stay dry, but into the overnight, that's when things start to change. Notice the moisture increasing first down in the North Carolina high country, Boone, Jefferson, maybe over towards portions of Roan Mountain, Unicoi County. You'll see the best shot for rain first, and then we go into the overnight. Notice we'll stop it here around 3:15 in the morning. Some rainfall starting to push into the region. That'll likely be with us for part of the morning commute. After the morning batch of rain, I think we clear out just a little bit. And with the sunshine around, temperatures are likely going to reach the upper 60s, if not low 70s for your Tuesday. Pretty nice day overall across the area. Now, how much rainfall could we see? I think for the first batch of rain, perhaps about 1.5 inches to maybe 1 inch of rain. Then we're going to get another batch of rainfall heading into our area. Notice we go here Tuesday. Here's that first batch of rain, but here comes the second batch in the form of another frontal system that'll reach our area as we go into Wednesday. Now, the rainfall associated with this could once again produce about another 0.5 inch to 1 inch of rain. So nice about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of rain possible region-wide once all is said and done. Now, behind it, cooler air working in, and you'll see that reflected in your 7-day in just a minute. Now, let's break it down. The bottom line with this system, about 1.5 inches of rainfall is possible in spots. Wouldn't be shocked to see a 2-inch isolated amount. Winds are going to increase, especially later this afternoon into tonight. And while this is not a drought buster, it will certainly be beneficial for our area, especially for all those areas that are seeing the smoke and wildfires. One thing to mention with the gusty winds today, that's not great for the wildfires. We're hoping that the winds stay down just a little bit until we get that humidity to increase. We'll keep an eye on any wildfires across the area this afternoon. May also see a slight chance of a snow flurry as well into Friday, Preston. Just a sign that cooler air is heading our way as we go into December. And